Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be making Jamaican salt fish with butter beans. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new. So guys, these are all my ingredients that I'm going to use. I have black pepper, butter beans. I'm using 2 cans of glazed butter beans. I have Scotch Bonnet peppers, onions, I have tomatoes, sweet peppers, and saltfish. For my saltfish, I am going to boil it for 10 minutes to get rid of the excess salt. Then I am going to change the water and soak it for 5 extra minutes. Right now I am deboning my saltfish, so I'm getting rid of all the bones. So if you want your saltfish to be smaller than that or larger, then you can always do it according to how you like it. Right now I'm going to add my oil to my pot. Then I am going to add my seasonings. Now I am adding my Scotch Bonnet peppers. I am going to add my saltfish. For my butter beans, I drained off the liquid from it. Now I'm going to add it to my saltfish. Guys, it is all ready. This is my Jamaican salt fish with butter beans recipe. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.